Hi, Mark Laxton here, CEO of OneSoci, and in this video I just wanted to address a question that we've received in regards to the new agency feature. So you can see I'm in the OneSoci dashboard and I've gone down to click on this agency tab in the left hand column, and you can see these three options here. So just to recap, this is where you are adding and managing your team members. So these are the people that are going to be managing your clients' accounts. So the question we received was, with the clients, then when you click on this and you can select a client, so in this case we're going to select this client here. Okay, when you go to, and you can see this number changed, so from my personal account you can see this. When we chose the client, then it changes to 10 because that person's got either 10 accounts and pages or groups. So if we click on manage accounts, and this is where we choose the team member that we want to basically assign those pages and groups to. So in this case, we're going to choose Amy and click on this. And now we can get Amy to manage that person's Twitter or Pinterest or LinkedIn or Facebook pages or groups. Okay, so in this case, we're just going to click on this one page. In fact, I will click on LinkedIn as well, just to show you shortly what happens there. So I'm going to click on save. At the moment, you won't see something pop up. We are going to get something to notify you or let you know that that's saved. That is actually saved once you click on save, but we're just going to get something added there just to let you know that that's saved okay. So now if I nip over to Amy's account, okay, I'm just going to refresh the page, and you'll see here, if I go over to Amy's profile, then you can see here now that we've got the coolest stuff. That's the Facebook page that I added. Now I did add, I think it was the LinkedIn, and you won't see that in here. If you, just to note as well, if you don't see anything in here, if you click on this and you don't see, say, let's say you just see the personal profile and you don't see any pages or anything that have been added, then all you'll need to do is just clear your cache. Okay, clear your cache for that, whatever browser you're using, and then that will resolve this issue and you'll start seeing these pages. Like I say, in this case, you can't see the LinkedIn profile, but if we go to posts and let's create a post and now select Gemma, you can see here, this is her LinkedIn. So I can create a post to post to her LinkedIn. I could also post it onto this page as well. So that's, hopefully that will just help to resolve that issue. Like I say, if you don't see it here, then you just need to clear your cache, and then you should start seeing the Facebook pages. And if you don't see the other accounts such as LinkedIn and Pinterest or Twitter, then you will see those once you go over and choose which account that you want to post to. So I hope that's helped, and I'll speak to you soon.